ready to level up your mobile gaming experience and play on a bigger screen. First up, let's talk about what you'll need an Android emulator. Think of it as a virtual Android phone running on your computer. Popular choices include BlueStacks, OldPlayer, or NoxPlayer. Pick the one that suits your computer's performance. A quick search online can help. In this tutorial, we'll use BlueStacks for demonstration. Search for the emulator you chose on your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official website and download the installer. It's crucial to download from the official source. Next, run the installer. You'll likely have to accept terms and conditions and choose where to install the emulator. The installation process can take a few minutes, so be patient. Once finished, launch your chosen emulator. Now, inside your emulator, you'll be greeted with a familiar Android interface just like on your phone or tablet. If your preferred emulator comes with a built-in Google Play Store, you might need to link your Google account. This is essential for accessing games and apps. Next, go to your emulator's search bar or the Google Play Store and search for Taptap if Taptap isn't appearing. One of the emulator's search options might be causing issues. In this case, you can consider installing the Taptap APK or downloading it through your web browser. Once it downloads, open it to install. After successful install, you should have the Taptap app readily available on your home screen. Clicking on the Taptap icon opens the app, where you'll find a vast library of games you can browse, search, and download your favorite games directly through Taptap. Now, simply install your chosen mobile games, personalize the controls using the emulator settings, and get ready to play, all on a larger screen. Enjoy gaming with Taptap on your emulator, and be sure to like and subscribe.